Hey everybody, so today we're checking out the BH2 black hole microphone from JZ Microphones. Okay, so JZ Microphones is out of Latvia and they make these really cool looking mics. They hit me up a while back and asked if I could take a look, and I'm like, hell yes. I'm immediately gravitated toward this BH2 because, well, I've never seen anything like it. I mean, it's a very interesting place to put a shock mount. Okay, so looks aside, what's the big deal? Well, JZ is using something called golden drop technology for the capsule, which apparently means a lighter diaphragm than you'd find in a traditional mic. That means more detail and richer sound. The BH2 is the cardioid-only version of the black hole mic. So let's put it to the test on acoustic guitar. Hold on a second. Doesn't matter how great the mic is if you have old dead strings. Let's try that again. Okay, that's better. Okay, that worked pretty well. But how about drum overheads? And of course, the question everybody wants to know, how well does it work on vocals?
I've been to the edge and walked away. So you returned and it all changed. One look into your stormy eyes. Just promise once you'll play nice. I should have been walked away, but now I'll have to stay and play the game of my lady of pain. My lady arcane.
So yeah, this does work pretty well on a lot of different sources. At $7.99 US, it's a bit of a Swiss Army knife. It's definitely a mic you could reach for a lot of tasks. Honestly, I'd probably put this up against anything I've got in my mic locker. Yes, it's really that good. You can check it out at jzmic.com. Follow the link in the description below. I'm out of here. Hey guys, if you liked the video, be sure to subscribe as I post every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. If you want to learn more about recording, check out one of my tutorials or one of my gear reviews if you want the actual honest truth about a piece of equipment. Till next time, stay metal, my friends.